more time on the traverse.
I'm fixing to get my stuff low enough.
You like the grab the rope and gorilla across technique, huh?
Pretty good.
Good job.
How's the day? Oh.
Yeah, that was the one.
That's the one that told her not to hit him. Getting that on video?
Yep.
Okay, hung up.
Looks like getting in that hole on the far end is harder than going across for you now.
There we go. Well, I should have stayed there so I could have grabbed your